again. It's a redskin.
We're here with the Civic. I just had to pick up a few things. We actually put the whole lip kit on this Civic. Well, this is not what the title of the video is about. We're actually going to go home and do the 4th gen exhaust swap on Mariah's 4th gen. So I'll just grab some tools here and we're going to go home and do that. I'll pick this up once we get home. Alright, we're here at the house of Chance. Your favorite Chance.
Your only chance.
Your only chance.
That's what makes it the favorite chance.
Yeah. He's the last chance.
Yeah, that's your last chance saying that.
Yeah. Anyways, enough with the chance jokes. Okay? Because you guys are not going to give us no more chances. Just keep doing it. Anyway, so we're going to be doing the exhaust. We're going to be pulling this off. And then tomorrow you'll see with 4th gen Chris, we're going to pull his exhaust off. But right now we're going to pull off the stock exhaust and J-pipe. That way it'll be an easy swap. And we'll do it with Chris tomorrow. Alright, we're almost here. If you guys haven't noticed, we actually in our new place and we actually have a garage, so we're actually working inside a garage for once. Well, besides my shop, but we're just trying to take off the hangers, which is up here. It's a pain in the ass. Well, once we get these off, we'll be able to get the last 2 hangers off and we'll have this exhaust off. We got it out. How are we gonna get to the shop? I don't know.
In pieces?
Yep, that's it. Alright, so I forgot to bring my GoPro, but we got the endless RPM exhaust. We're gonna polish the tips real quick and get this on Mariah's 4th gen. I forgot to show 4th gen Chris, but yeah, we have it here. And I'll show you guys how to repolish the tips. Watch my last video if you want to see the complete install, but yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Alright guys, so J-pipe is on. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Fully on. So this is a J-pipe, short J-pipe for the stock cat. Next we're gonna put the endless RPM exhaust on. And you know, you want to verify through endless RPM, they work with magma flow. So that's how you get that nice tone. Very cool. So yeah, this is the next step we're gonna put on. And then we'll give you guys a quick sound bite. And we got to meet tomorrow, so maybe I'll take you guys along with that if this video is too short. And take you guys along with that too. But yeah, it's and get some nice rollers. Alright, we got the exhaust done. We're gonna take out the jack stands and then do our first start on Mariah's. But just look at that. Look how nice that is. With the A-spec lip, endless RPMs. With the, this thing looks mean now. Dude, they stick out pretty good too. Oof. Look at this. Alright, I have Chance do the honors.
Yeah, I'll start so you can stand there.
That looks good. So he's gonna do a start right now. Cool start. One more. Ah, it's so nice and subtle.
And it's not crazy loud. It doesn't see, like, with the door shut, you're not going to really hear it. Should be good for the baby. Oh, that sounds good back here.
That was good. It looks so good.
You guys are going to have to go do, like a little road.
No, if you want to take it tomorrow, that's why I want to get some shots on the way there if you drive it. That looks good. We are car here. We got Chance here, the man, the Chance, the winner, the everything. Chance. Tandem. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fix this with some new OEM brackets, and hopefully it's not the bumper. Also, this like kind of fits kind of good, but we're gonna try the new brackets and see if that makes it fit better. And we might, if it does fit, we might just leave it off and get it painted. But yeah, we got the parts over here, brand new OEM. Because all we do is OEM. Part number for one side, part number for the other side, and we're going to take off this bumper and see. Okay, is it unlocked? Alright, so we got the old one, and you could kind of see that it's broken. We think it will be this one. And open it up. You can see it is broken in some spots, like right there is broken. Doesn't have the tab. Down here, and this is, and yeah, it has like actually 3 broken spots right here, versus this one has all of them. So we're gonna swap this out on both sides, and we'll see the fitment. Right, if you're putting the light on, you can't see shit. All right, if you guys are gonna replace this, I don't know how you normally take it out, but this is what I figured. If you're replacing it anyway, you can just break it out. So you shine it in here, and you see the tabs right there. If you twist it, break them out. And then it should just come out. Well, or half of it.
Or come out in 2 pieces. Trust, it saves a lot of time.
Yep. And then yeah, so you just pull these in,
Push them.
yeah. There you go. And then these happen so easy. It just clips. Come in. Like that. Alright, we're gonna put the bumper on and we're gonna see how it looks after. Alright, so it's better. It's not poking out. We'll play with this a little bit more, but we're gonna actually get it painted now. And this car has been in an accident anyway, so it's not gonna be perfect. But this side was kind of completely off.
Completely out, and now it's flush.
Yeah, this is actually flush. So if you look here, look at the paint. This is a sloppy paint. This is almost fingerprint right there. So we're gonna go ahead and just take the bumper off one more time, and we're actually gonna get it painted. So we're gonna take it off, take the trims off, and yeah, got the bumper off, completely off. And like I said, we're gonna have them redo all of this, get it all painted. This is all ugly painted, and make it look shiny like this lip. We're gonna have to repaint the lip anyway, just because there's some scuffs on it. All right, we're gonna take off. We took off the trims, the grill, and now we're gonna go drop it off, and we'll see you guys when it actually comes back. So that'll be the next clip for you. We are back here another day with the Ford Gym. We are back. We actually got the bumper painted, so let me actually show you guys that. And we got to do some painting, because we don't care for like them painting this all color match, so we're gonna actually paint this right back to black. So we gotta take some stuff apart about this, and we got to meet today, so we gotta get this all done. And here is the bumper, nice and painted. Let me take it out and show you guys right next to each other. All right. right, here it is. So I have him clean up the holes for the license plate. Told him to clean that up. He cleaned up all those ugly scratches that was right here and actually painted it the actual wood paint this time instead of like some rattle can job. It looks good. And we are good for here. Before I start putting all this together, there's a few things I got to do. I do got to paint these trims, so I picked up some this black. It says trim and bumper paint, so hopefully this is not really shiny. It's just like a decent black. And we're gonna paint, like I said earlier, we're gonna be painting this black. So we're gonna pull off this chrome trim, where it looks like it's just some tabs, and take off this light. And then we're just gonna paint just this bottom tab. All right, just like that, we got this trim out. It is out, and it's just these tabs. Very simple. I just used some needle noses and I pinched it and pushed it in, and I got this out. So we got this out, and then next I believe is just this 110 mil, and we're able to remove this like turn signal light that we have on here. I think that's the next. All right, just like that, it was just that 110 mil, and that light just popped right out. So we have finally the trim. We're just gonna scuff it up real quick. And I brought just this orange scuff pad, and I use this as a degreaser, and I'll put the link in the description. This is really good stuff. I have no issues since I've been using it. It's diluted, and you just put it in a spray bottle, whatever. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the other side ready like this, and we'll go start getting this ready for paint. So we got these drying up. So while we're waiting for this, we had to take a look at our headlights. So I'm just letting it dry up so that way it's not wet at all when we start painting. It's always good to leave this in the sun, get that warmed up. So this is a random paint. Put the first layer, we're gonna use 2 soft coats and then the rest heavy coats. So first soft coat is on, just a slight over with the black. And do it one more time, that way it gives it something to stick to. And then once it dries a little bit more, we do 2 coats, like I said, a soft, and then we go with the real thick coat. We got second layer of the thick coat. It's coming out pretty damn good. We're gonna go back over here, and we took off the headlight, and I believe it uses the same ballast. I brought extra ballasts from the shop. Right here, let's hope it's the same ballasts. I brought an extra one, a few extra ones right here. It looks like the same, so we'll go ahead and grab a few. And we're going to try out the ballast and see if it works. It makes a weird noise, like a buzz noise, and it doesn't want to turn on, so I'm pretty sure the ballast is shot. But yeah, swap it over and I'll let you know what happens. Alright guys, so it's doing the same thing, but I took off this little plastic, and the igniter was not even touching the light bulb, so that's one thing. But you can see it's kind of melted, and even inside here it doesn't look too hot. So I'm gonna have a buddy bring me an igniter and another light bulb, and we'll see if we can get this working. Alright, so we got the last thick coat on. Okay guys, once this is done, it looks so good when it's dry, nice and flat, perfect. And then we got the headlight working. It was just, like I said, it was just the thing wasn't connected, so it's good to go now. But yeah, almost there. Yeah. Alright, just showing you guys how it comes out, a nice satin black. Very cool. About an hour, we'll pick it up and put the trims on, the lights on, and go from there. But yeah, it looks so good. Can't wait to put this on the bumper. It's in like a gray color for her, because her wheel's gonna be gray.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Alright, so while we're waiting for the paint to dry, we gotta put on some decals. But shout out to After Dark Sign Works. Yet again, he made me another batch of decals like the ones I put on the Civic. And this one's just a little bit dark gray color, but we're probably just gonna put on mine since he already has the UA Squad one, and this will, we don't have a spot for this yet, so maybe down the road. Sorry Freddy, but we will take care of you soon. But yeah, we're gonna put the Mythic Custom ones just to match mine up here. She already has the shade up here, so this is perfect. So yeah, let's get this on. red, very nice color. Shot again at Star Sign Works, which is TRB_JDM94 or 98. Instagram right here. Hit them up for any decals, shirts, DJing, anything you need. Heating at your next event. Oh, this thing came out perfect.
Unless we throw it on this.
After Darks. Let me put this on the Element.
Yeah, we drive it all the time. It'd be cool in the back right here. I think it'd be nice.
All right, so you heard it. We're putting on the Element in the daily. Let's do it.
Here.
Pigtail?
Fucking ugly.
That's what's up.
Actually,
Yeah.
Mariah sent me a TikTok of him and this girl, and we were laughing about it. So I can show you that.
About his hair?
Just
Oh,
him
good.
and his girl.
Laughing about his hair?
Everything.
So much better black. Put it on now. So much better. With the black trims, no more gray.
Lights are expensive.
For these cars.
Heck yeah.
Our cars are cheaper. These ones, they cost more. What kind of lights are you trying to get?
Same one, this is brand new.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yeah.
How much did they run? For the ones you really
I
want?
seen like about $400.
They're probably more than that. They're probably 600 bucks.
That's with the shipping?
Alright, so she's gonna wash her car for the meet today. Bumper, like I think I showed already, is already fully on. It looks great. Yep. The wash now before the meet.